It is 7 o'clock on a Friday evening. The floor is mostly empty, but one desk is still lit. An employee is rushing to finish a quarterly report before the weekend. To get out the door, she makes a quick decision. She drags the sensitive files onto a personal USB flash drive so she can wrap up the work on her home computer later tonight. But the second that progress bar hits 100%, the company's data has officially left the monitored, secure corporate environment. The organization now faces a blind spot. IT teams no longer know where those files are traveling, what devices they will touch, or who will have the ability to open them. This well-intentioned shortcut turns a simple piece of hardware into a liability the company can no longer track or control. The security risk begins the exact moment that drive slips into her bag and enters a public space. Portable drives are designed for convenience, which makes them easy to lose. They fall out in parking lots, are left behind on cafe tables, or taken from crowded trains. Most personal drives store information without any encryption. Information sits in plain text, meaning there is no password required and no scrambled code to decipher. The files are open to anyone who finds them. That exposure puts sensitive information at risk. A single lost drive holds thousands of customer records, financial reports, and system passwords. Anyone who plugs in that drive has access. They can open the files, copy them to other devices, or share the company's internal documents. In the physical world, misplacing a piece of hardware results in a total loss of control over the data it contains. Threats also move in the opposite direction. Let's trace the drive as it is plugged into a shared personal computer at home. These devices act as a delivery system for malicious code. Personal networks lack the rigorous monitoring of corporate systems. While the employee works on her report, background malware on that home computer can copy itself onto the USB drive without any notification to the user. On Monday morning, the employee returns to the office and connects that now infected personal drive to a corporate machine. This connection bypasses the company's network firewalls. Because the drive is connected from the inside, the malware payload is delivered straight into the internal network. Using an unverified personal device provides a physical path for threats to bypass the digital defenses protecting the network. To manage this vulnerability, organizations must secure the perimeter at the user level. The first line of defense is to avoid transferring sensitive files to unapproved personal devices entirely. Before making a copy, use a simple checklist. First, verify if the storage device is company approved and hardware encrypted. Second, ask if a physical transfer is necessary or if a secure, company-managed cloud platform can be used for the task instead. If an external drive is misplaced, report the loss to IT immediately to help contain the risk. Securing the data requires securing the hardware it sits on. Physical security and data security are inseparable. Protecting the organization requires stopping to think before copying a file. A small drive carries a massive risk.